if you're planning to visit Yamagata, you're probably going to want to come to Ginzan Onsen, where you can experience a spirited away-like vibe.
The problem is, getting to Ginzan isn't exactly a breeze. It takes around 50 minutes by train from Yamagata and then another 40 by bus. But here's the kicker. There's only 1 or 2 trains per hour and only 1 bus every 2 hours. And that's why I'm taking the Twilight Tour bus from Tendo. The bus stops at Takinoyu Hotel and Azumaso in Tendo Onsen before heading straight to Ginzan Onsen. It's 8,000 yen for adults and 4,000 yen for children, and it'll run until February 29th for this winter 2023. Of course, it's cheaper if you take the bus and train, but after seeing the long line and packed bus, I'm glad I went with a pricier option. はい、降りてください。ありがとうございました。滑りそうだな。なんだこれ、バス待つ人たち？タクシー待ちもしかして。足湯がある。これ絶対あったかいでしょ。いいな。すごい。ほら、ここがもろ千と千尋。この辺じゃない？すごーい。かっこいい。あれ、この辺じゃなくてあっちかな。あっちかな。おお、滑る。この辺？は？江戸屋さん。わあ、こっからの図も綺麗。うん。本当？奥の方じゃなかった？うわ、超絶混んでる。ここ？いや、お土産屋さんあっち？そこじゃない？上に人座ってるよ。うん。おう。あ。あったかい。 滝行く？わあ、めっちゃ雪降ってる。あ、ほら。すごいね。あ、水。よいしょ。It's cold, but it's beautiful. 貸し切りじゃないよこれ、普通のバスだよ。ほら、銀山から金沢大石田駅って書いてある。あれじゃん。寒い寒い寒い。1 hour is perfect. Last but not least, here's how to sign up for the tour. Go to the home page, the link is in the description, and click on Book Now. Select the number of participants. This one says adults age 13 and older. Now choose a date. I'm going to go for December 22nd. Check to see if you've got everything correct. And click on Checkout. Now fill in your information. Click Continue. Now for some questions. If you're not staying at a hotel in Tendo, scroll to the bottom and select No Lodging. Where will you board the bus? I'm choosing the first one because I'm getting on from Takinoyu Hotel. How did you learn about the tour? I'm going to assume you learned it from me, Kani in Yamagata. And continue. And now for your payment information. I already reserved my spot, so I'm not going to click on the payment button, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure out the rest. I hope that was helpful and inspired you to book a twilight tour from Tendo Onsen to Ginzan Onsen.